new just listed home, 15241 Southwest 51st Street, Miramar, Florida, by Anthony Morrow from the Military Veteran Team. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom single-family home offers 2,608 square feet of beautiful living space in the quiet, gated community of Claremont at Huntington. The floor plan includes formal living and dining rooms, an open family room, and an eat-in kitchen. The updated kitchen features granite countertops and opens into the family area. Upstairs, the large primary suite boasts double-door entry, walk-in closets, and a large primary bathroom with volume ceilings. Down the hall, 3 spacious additional bedrooms share a full bathroom. Enjoy the 2-car garage and a location near top-rated schools and major highways. Contact us and make it yours.